Gattu's new skateboard. Gattu and Chinky's aunt sent him a new skateboard through courier, and both were standing outside the kitchen with their skateboards.
Mummy, hurry up. We want to go to play with our skateboards. Yes, Mummy. We'll drink juice when we come back. No, kids. Drink your juice now. And you are going to ride your skateboards already? You know, it could be dangerous without pads and helmets. It's alright, Mummy. We'll play in the park. Nothing will happen. Yes, Mummy. Bunty and Goody also ride their skateboards there.
Saying this, Gattu and Chinky quickly finished their juice and headed to the park. At the park, Bunty and Goody were already waiting for Gattu and Chinky.
You guys are late. We have been waiting for you for so long. Come on, show us your new skateboards now. Now we are here finally. Bunty and Goody, see, these are our new skateboards. Come, let's go and ride.
All the kids started riding their skateboards together, but then Bunty suggested something to Gattu.
Gattu, let's race on our skateboards. What do you say? That's a great idea, Bunty.
Just as Gattu and Bunty were about to start their race, Chinky came from behind and warned Gattu.
Gattu, you shouldn't race here. You don't even know how to ride the skateboard properly yet. And you don't have helmets and pads too. Also, there are other kids around the park. What if you fall down? No, Chinky, nothing will happen. Don't worry. Come on, Bunty.
Gattu did not listen to Chinky and started the race.
Wow, this is so much fun. You are going to lose, Bunty. No way, Gattu. I won't lose.
Gattu and Bunty were racing when suddenly Gattu lost his balance, stumbled and fell down. Bunty saw this and stopped skating. Seeing this, Goody and Chinky also rushed to him.
What happened, Gattu? Didn't I tell you? And now you're hurt.
Gattu's hand hit a stone, causing him a lot of pain. Gattu started crying.
Ouch, ouch. My hand hurts so much. And my leg is hurt too. Oh no, it hurts a lot.
Hearing Gattu cry, all the kids got scared.
Come on, Gattu. Let me help you get home.
Bunty and Chinky quickly took Gattu home. Mummy hurried out when she saw Gattu crying and asked him what had happened.
Oh dear, what happened? Is everything okay? No, Auntie. Gattu and I were racing on our skateboards at the park. And Gattu fell after losing the balance. He hurted his leg and also hurt his hand on the stone. That is why it is hurting in his hand too much. What? Show me, Gattu.
Mummy bandaged Gattu's leg, but his hand was still hurting very badly, and it seemed like the pain was not lessening.
Mummy, I can't even move my hand. It's hurting so much. Gattu dear, I think you may have fractured your hand. Let's go to the hospital and have it checked.
Mummy took Gattu to the doctor. There they found that Gattu had fractured his hand from hitting the stone. The doctor put a cast around Gattu's hand and then Mummy brought him back home.
Now rest, Gattu. I'll go and bring you some snacks.
Chinky saw how sad Gattu was and she said,
Gattu, it's okay. I'm sure your hand will get better soon. Yes, Gattu. And guess what? I spoke to Papa. And he's bringing your favorite ice cream. And you know what Chinky and I will do until then? What, Mummy? Look what I have. A marker pen. Chinky and I will sign your cast and draw cute emoji on it. And something interesting too. I'm sure you'll like it. Wow, Mummy. That's a great idea. I'll draw 2 pictures on Gattu's cast. One of me and one of Gattu. Okay, Chinky.
Then what? Mummy and Chinky signed Gattu's cast and drew pictures on it. Just then, Papa came home and he also had bought Gattu's favorite ice cream. But he told Gattu that he couldn't go to school for a couple of days.
What? But Papa, we had games period today. Be able to go to school tomorrow. And the after day is Saturday. It's a special tiffin day.
It's okay, Gattu dear. But this happened because of your mistake. Mummy already told you not to ride the skateboard without a helmet and pads. Look what happened because you didn't listen.
Yes, Papa. I have realized my mistake now. You and Mummy are always right. Yes, dear. But now Papa will bring helmet and pads for you too. So you can play without any worries.
Hearing this, Gattu and Chinky were happy. After resting at home for a few days, Gattu went back to school. But he is still wearing his cast for safety reason. All his friends signed his cast, including Bunty. That's not it. Bunty even said to him,
Gattu, get your hands better soon. And then we'll have another skateboard competition. But with helmet and pads this time.
Everyone laughed at this. Gattu was feeling better after that. After a few days, his fracture healed completely and he happily started playing with his friends again.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.